Hello! Today we are going to be talking about the four spheres of Toronto: the biosphere, the geosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. Biosphere. There are approximately 9,771 people per square kilometer in Toronto. There is very little crime in Toronto. The number of crime that resulted in injury or death were only 1 this past year. 45.8% of people living in Toronto are either overweight or obese as of 2011 and 2012. The average cost of living in Toronto is approximately 19,755 Canadian dollars, while the average salary is 53,000 Canadian dollars. The male life expectancy in Toronto is approximately 80.7 years, while the female life expectancy is 85.4 years. Geosphere. Toronto is easily Canada's largest city, covering 630 square kilometers. Toronto is on the northwest shore of Lake Ontario, which provides many resources including fishing and water. Toronto is approximately 100 meters above sea level. Ontario and Toronto make up 80% of the total fishing trade in Canada. Toronto and other cities in Ontario are currently being powered by the many oil and gas reserves that are being found in Ontario. Atmosphere. The current Air Quality Health Index for Toronto is 2, which is clean air and great air quality for outdoor activities such as walking, hiking, and biking. Many environmental pollutants are also affecting Toronto, including lead, pesticides, and solar radiation caused by ozone depletion. The average year-round temperature in Toronto is 50.15 degrees Fahrenheit. Toronto is most known for its severe floods and winter storms, but it is still affected by many hurricanes and tornadoes. Hydrosphere. On average, Toronto receives 31 inches of rainfall per year. Toronto's main source of water is Lake Ontario. When water is first taken from Lake Ontario, it is treated and then pumped into Toronto. In case of emergencies like power outages or water pump failures, there are ground-level reservoirs that help store water and stabilize water pressure. Rivers and creeks that run through Toronto include Black Creek, Don River West, Etobicoke Creek, Humber River West, Mimco Creek, and Rouge River. Thank you, and those are the four spheres of Toronto.